Is your car's air conditioning not cooling properly? Today, we'll explore common AC compressor failures and how to fix them.
Common fault issues include Symptom 1. Unusual noise from the compressor. Symptom 2. Reduced cooling performance or warm air. Symptom 3. Compressor clutch not engaging. If these situations occur, the following solutions can be considered. Solution 1. Check and refill the refrigerant. Solution 2. Inspect the compressor and replace worn parts. For example, a rubber ring. Solution 3. Examine electrical connections and repair as needed. Regular maintenance can prevent most AC compressor issues. For high quality, reliable automotive AC compressors, trust Guangzhou Weixing. Visit our website for more information, vehicleaccompressor.com.
Welcome to Inquire.